Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade collard greens, step by step. First, it's crucial to select the freshest, darkest green leaves you can find. Once you have your greens, thoroughly wash them under cold running water to remove any dirt or grit. Next, carefully remove the tough central stems from each leaf. Finally, tear or chop the clean leaves into manageable, bite-sized pieces, preparing them for the pot. This initial preparation ensures a clean and tender final dish. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Begin by rendering about 1/4 pound of smoked ham hock, bacon, or even turkey bacon in a large pot. Cook it until it's nicely browned and has released its delicious fat. Then, add 1 medium-sized diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pot. Sauté these aromatics gently until they become soft, translucent, and wonderfully fragrant. This step is essential for infusing your collard greens with deep, savory notes. With your flavor base ready, it's time for the star of the show, the collard greens. Add all of your prepared greens to the pot. They might seem like a lot, but they will cook down significantly. Pour in about 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, ensuring the greens are mostly submerged. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for at least 1 hour, or until they are wonderfully tender. Finally, let's perfect those collard greens. Before serving, give them a taste and adjust any seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt or pepper. For an extra layer of brightness and a touch of tang, stir in about 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar right at the end. This really elevates the flavor profile. Serve your tender, flavorful collard greens warm as a comforting side dish. They are truly a delicious addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.